case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1995, the Supreme Court of the United States heard a contentious case, Missouri versus Jenkins, centered on the allegations of racial segregation within the Kansas City School District, KCMSD. The plaintiffs, including KCMSD, the school board, and the children of two board members, initiated this litigation way back in 1977, arguing that the state and other defendants knowingly engaged in practices leading to and perpetuating racial segregation in the Kansas City metropolitan area. In response to these allegations, the district court, in an initial judgment in 1985, found the state and the KCMSD guilty of operating a racially segregated school system and imposed a remedial order. However, this court order fell short of providing a clear articulation on how certain measures such as reducing class sizes would counteract segregation. Furthermore, it compelled the state to fund salary increases for KCMSD staff and to continue financing quality education programs. The state challenged these mandates in the Supreme Court, arguing that the district court exceeded its constitutional authority, particularly with respect to the across-the-board salary hikes. The crux of the issue here was whether the lower court had the jurisdiction to enforce such changes. Upon review, the Supreme Court established a guiding framework for determining a district court's remedial authority in such cases, highlighting the necessity to ascertain the nature and extent of the desegregation remedy, deliberate the interests of state and local authorities, and affirm that federal court orders directly address the root constitutional violation. Bearing this framework in mind, the Supreme Court overturned the Court of Appeals' decision, ruling that the district court indeed overstepped its boundaries. Specifically, it was found that the lower court's order approving employee salary increases and the creation of a magnet district were well beyond the actual scope of the intra-district violation initially identified. Furthermore, it deemed the lower court's order for indefinite state funding of quality education programs as an unsustainable remedy to past segregation. All told, the case illuminated the limiting boundaries of a district court's remedial power, significantly reshaping the desegregation debate and underscoring the importance of targeted legal remedies in addressing constitutional violations. With the Supreme Court's decision, the case was returned to the district court for further consideration.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.